What is up, everyone? It's Phoebe, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing what I put in my pencil case, even though we're not allowed to take pencil cases to school. Yay! Mostly because I'm still in my PJs. I actually didn't go to school today, I'm sick. So that intro then probably didn't seem like I'm sick, but I am. So I'm off tomorrow as well, so heads up teachers, I ain't in school. And some of my friends watch my videos, so my friends can tell them. So yes, it will start off. So this is my pencil case. I got this. It goes. Ow, ow, ow! That wasn't as cool as I wanted it. Yeah, that's for all the ammo, guys. And this button. Bam! Yeah, it's a gun. Okay. It's not a gun. Okay, so I'll start off with a pencil. But this pencil isn't very sharp. It's the last pencil I could have picked. So I'll need a sharpener. But as you can see there, probably can't see that it's a sharpener built in. Wrong button. Yeah, it's a sharpener. Look how sick is that? You're going to put your pencil inside. I'm going to get sharpeners all over my room, but hey, it's for the video, guys. Or I could just get a mechanic pencil, but all of mine have no lead in it, so yay! I would normally take a mechanic one. Come on. Yeah, you have done absolute wow. Let's get another flipping pencil. Ah! Never could. Don't need that. Okay. Just because I'm not actually going to school, I'm just going to put the broken pencil in because I can't find another one. So, yeah, but it does have an inside. Okay, second of all, I'm going to take my slime. I'm back. Sorry, my mum just came upstairs, so I had to stop. Yes, next I will take my slibble. So let's just go ahead and I'll come back once. I got it out, guys. It's in there. It was in there. I will show you how. It's eating it's literally at my pencil. The button. Here you go. Yeah. I should have probably put it almost down. I actually made this slime as well. I just got like an old Galaxy slime. This isn't Galaxy, you can tell. I actually made David one as well. I think David's turned out better, but it's basically the same. David is like much better. He's kept it in a better place than better place than I have. This is fun. Okay. That was it. This is like a bad glossy slime. Eat yourself glossy slime. There you go. It's like itself. It just makes it look weird when a bit comes out. So when you try and put it back in, it doesn't absorb itself. It just tries and kills you. No, it doesn't actually kill you. And then I was packing loads of junk. Okay, this video turns in to look at my slime. This is much better. Okay. I'm changing the subject. Okay, so this is my slime, as you saw. Great, now you can see the floor and me. Yay! Because I can't see myself. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, guys, I'm back. My little slime. I had to push myself in a bit. Can't see me. That's sad. That's just sad. Hey. Okay, so here I've got this. This is actually part from my pencil case that broke off. So, sorry if you can hear people have my book. There. So yeah, I'm just wiggling around my slime. Look at it. Look at it. It's amazing. So, it's really fun to play with this. But yeah, and it makes. Can't see it. Look at it! I made it into a heart. It's Valentine's. It's soon. It's not February yet, but it's very soon. So this is my slime mango. You like it? Oh, that's oh no, the heart's messed up. Great, messed up my goddamn slime. This is art to make my skills perfect. I actually don't know how I'm. That's great heart, guys. Like and subscribe and click the notification bell. Yeah. I'm not done. I just forgot to say that, so I'm gonna put it back in that. So wait. Sometimes it farts. I failed basically when I was making this one. It's good, not bad as last slime. I've made better before. That I actually missed. So I made it, it was good, and then I forgot to put it in its container. So it broke. But wow. Listen to it. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be. So yeah, my real video was the pencil case video, but like that didn't work, so I've been using my slime. So now I'm going to add loom buns into this slime. Let's go. Okay, guys, so I've got a big box of loom buns. You can't see. Hi. Okay. This is my slime. I just noticed I put it on top maybe, but yeah. I'll be right back when I figured out what to do. Okay, guys, we're back, and I've got my slime. It's going to unbite, and I also have these loom band hooks. So this one's special because it's purple. So if you do see the purple once it's mixed up under here, comment down below saying I saw the purple hook. So yeah. I'm going to try and reply and like all them comments that I can. So yeah. So I'm going to try and make it crunchy slime. You probably won't be able to see most of them because they're see-through. Yeah, they're coming in. I've already added most of them in the middle. So this probably won't work actually. I've never made crunchy slime before. Only fluffy and glossy. I think this is glossy. Or the last one. No, I don't know. Okay, so now I'm gonna fold this. Yeah, you definitely won't be able to see the purple, but I'll just put this one out on mine. Look at that, it's so bumpy. Probably won't stay, but I can actually get more if I really wanted to and add it, but right. Oh no! Where's my pot go? I lost my pot! I've actually lost. Okay. Lid. Great. I've lost it. If I. Oh no. Okay, no, I got it. Whew. Let's get these. Yes, just gonna add some more. To there. Okay, guys, I've just moved you to there just so I can grab some out while you're still beginning. Because I'm gonna have to edit this quite a bit to make it perfect. So yeah, I don't want to edit too much. It takes too long. I'm just putting them in as soon as I get them. Of course, I'm not adding any loom bands. Maybe on my next slime and the next one I make. If I make some more, because I am out of glue at this time. Glue and activator, actually. Actually, I'm out of everything you need to make slime. Thinking about it, so. Yay, no slime for a while. I don't really make slime on camera. Don't know why, it's just fun to do it alone. Well, not alone, so probably have like David. Who always comes to me saying, because I actually also have another one of these pots I gave to David. So it looks like we bought it, but we didn't. That went weird then, the screen. I'm not going to be doing this for too long, of course, because it's already been 10 minutes. Oh, no. As soon as I go to say that, it turns to 11, so 11 minutes for you. You'll be watching this for about 11 minutes right now. I just had a dog out my window, because my window's open. So yeah, I don't think I'll be in school again tomorrow, like I said, because I was actually sick. But I'm not going to talk about that, because that's gross. Oh guys, I found a pink one. So if you see a pink one, so I found the pink hook. So if you find them both, comment I found the pink and purple hook. There's these C ones as well, these ones are weird. These are all just going to be at the top. Like, oh, of course I found them. Flipping tough. If I put it out, they're all going to go everywhere. Oh, God. Okay. I've added the last one for now. I have to hit that there. Can you guys? No. Okay. Let's just go in this guys, this is taking so long because I need to figure out. Okay, you probably won't be able to see my face just for this to work. You're going to be able to see this pink hook now. But yeah, see, watch all the hooks fall out. But if you do see it, the purple one right now, you can comment down below. And you gotta say the time when you saw it as well. So. You can start now looking for the pink hook. All these hooks are falling out because I'm getting fine the place. So if you, I've said this too many times, if you see the pink or purple hook, actually I've said the time once, so yeah. If you find them, say what colour they are. So let's say you find this, I don't think there is a blue one. Say you find a blue hook, you put I found blue hook at 13:29. There you go. You need to put that. But there is no blue hook. So you wouldn't have found a blue hook, because if you found a blue hook, wow, you're lying. Also comment if you're subscribed or not. Oh, this one actually worked out pretty well. It's not as crunchy as I expected it to be. So yes. Would you like to see my slime first? Oh, I saw the bling hook then from the camera. Oh, I dropped something. So yeah. No, like. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry about all the like clips and stopping and all that. It was crazy. It wasn't the best time to record a video, but it ended up well. So see you guys later. Bye.